Good afternoon, traders. Joseph here from Eightcap. So no webcam today. We're just really just hunkering down on a couple of markets that have sort of caught our eye. We know we had the FOMC yesterday with the rate decision, so rates were increased. But I think the message from the statement was a little bit mixed, and we can see that on the US dollar index. With its reaction. So we can see it did decline, but there was a bit of a fight back, and we can see there's more selling today, but there's been a bit of a fight back as well. So there were a few more hawkish comments, but I don't think it was enough really to get the dollar going. We're going to talk about the euro as well. We have the ECB rates meeting coming up today. So rates are expected to be increased to 4.25%. And we're going to delve into the Euro USD and the USDCAD. So we will push along, but we just want to touch on the dollar. And the reason is we have been wondering if this is going to be a new higher low. We will continue to watch that. But if we have a look at the Euro USD, for instance, it does look quite mirrored to it at the moment. You can see here it does look like it's forming a continuation pattern. And with the rate rise coming up from the ECB today, I think that will help the cause of Euro bulls, but it may also be a little bit factored in. I think a lot's going to come down to the statement and how hawkish those comments are, and combine that with a weaker US dollar. If it does continue to decrease, then that should set up the euro for hopefully a push higher today, and then a bit of a confirmation that this is a lower high, and that we will see further buying, and prices will continue to push higher. So that's one of the ideas we're watching for later today after the rates decision. Now the other is the dollar CAD, and with a weaker dollar and higher oil prices, we can see the dollar CAD at the moment sitting in a pretty interesting position. It is rather range bound right now, but we can see plenty of resistance here from that 32.21 area. There is a fair bit of support down at 31.55, but we can see a fair bit of chop down selling yesterday when the market was faded after the FOMC, and we can see further selling today. So the dollar selling is semi widespread at the moment, and just looking at this pattern here, we can see this pierce low. We can see a lot of failed attempts to move up. We have oil pushing at above 79.50 today, and with the possibility it could try and test that 80 area again if momentum continues. Now with that pressure and with the dollar sort of weaker at the moment, could we see the dollar CAD get back down to test this support area here and break through it, setting up a continuation of this downtrend here? It is a little bit hesitant right now with this range, but if we did see some selling down to this level here at 31.54 and a break of that level, we would then be looking for sellers to try and continue that push with a move back down to test 31, that 31 area, even area, and a break of that really does get that downtrend going. But on the short term, we'll be looking to see if we can get further selling, a decent sell bar today, and then a continued push lower throughout for the rest of the week. Sort of starting to signal a continuation lower is in play. Just highlighting a couple of things on the euro. If we do see a big fade today and a pullback, that's going to be a worry. We are looking for this area here at 40 to hold, and if that does succumb to selling pressure and there's a move through that would be a bit of a worry. And we're just continuing to see if this low here can become a confirmed or a further confirmed higher low, and if we can see a further push higher after the ECB today. So a few things we're watching, and I think we'll just need to see if the dollar does play ball, and what happens next. But will this trend continue, and will we see a continuation lower on the dollar CAD? Are really the two questions we're asking today. So thank you very much for your time, and we appreciate you tuning in. We hope you enjoy the rest of your trading day, and just remember at 10:15 Australian Eastern Standard Time tonight, we have the interest rate decision and statement from the ECB, and then we have the press conference at 10:45, and at 10:30 tonight, just adding to the dollar question, we have advanced GDP and unemployment claims. So plenty to come later today. So thanks again, all the best to your trading, and bye for now.